smoke weed.
Wow.
Do you honestly think you're fucking funny, fucking with my friend? Seriously. You're a fucking ugly little cunt, mate. If I ever see you, flip your fucking face wide open, yeah? You're a fucking angry little fucking bastard. Okay, right, let's first off, you're 17, so you're not even old enough to play the game. You're from Scotland, not Nigeria. And you annoy people and put them on YouTube.
XDDDDDDDD.
So why don't you call back up your mum's fanny and die it? Right, I'll tell you what, you fat little cunt. You're boring, you don't sound Nigerian at all, so go and fuck yourself. Go and fucking crawl in the dirty, dank little hole where you fucking come from, you dirty, dragon-eating little fucking spastic. Right, okay, the dragon comment was probably a little bit fucking over the top, but at the end of the day, you're...